Welcome to Code Developer, Day 10, Chapter 10, Pointers. So today we studied about what is meant by pointer is and why it can be used, and how to declare and accessing a pointer variable. Explain pointer increment or decrement. Explain the uses of pointers with arrays. Explain how pointer to function can be used. Explain pointers to structures can be used. So what is pointer? It's a definition. So pointer is a variable which stores the address of the another variable. Declaration of pointer syntax. So it is a data type. It is a pointer variable. So asterisk refers to pointer variable. So example, integer is a data type. And asterisk refers to pointer. It is a ptr is a variable of pointer. Then character asterisk pt. So accessing data to the pointer variable. How to accessing the data variable? So ampersand is refers to address of the variable. It hold the pointer variable. It hold the address of another one variable. Example: integer asterisk a is a pointer variable. So b is ordinary variable. So b equal to 10 is a value. Ampersand b. The b has an individual address. Ampersand is refers to address of b. In this address is stored into a variable, that is pointer is a variable. So another one example, integer asterisk p. Asterisk p is refers to pointer variable, already you have to know. So quantity equal to 20. So it is a variable, it is a value. Ampersand quantity, the address is stored into p variable. Another one example, so val equal to, that is a variable, equal to 100. Ampersand val is refers to it display the address. So it is a format of percentage u is a format of address. Then percentage d is a format of integer representations. So val. So val means the data. The output is 100. Then percentage d, comma, asterisk as well as ampersand value. So it refers to the address of the value. That is, the answer is 100. Why are pointer used? To return more than one value from a function. To pass arrays and strings more conveniently from one function to another. To manipulate arrays more easily to moving pointers to them instead of moving the array themselves. To allocate memory and access it dynamic memory allocations. To create complex data structures such as linked lists where one data structure must contain references to other data structures. Advantages of pointer. A pointer enables us to access a variable that is defined outside the function. Second point, pointers are more efficient in handling the data tables. Pointers reduce the length and complexity of a program. They increase the execution speed. The use of a pointer or a true character strings results in saving of data storage space in memory. The function pointer can be used to call a function. The pointers array give a convenient method for storing strings. Many of the C built-in functions that work with string use pointers. It provides a way of accessing a variable without referring to the variable directly. Example, it is a n equal to 10 is an ordinary variable. It is a pointer representation. It holds the address. The ptr is a pointer variable. So it holds the address of n variable. So the print of in this answer n value. So 10. So this value it represents the address of n variable, then ptr is represent the address, then asterisk ptr is directly pointing to the value. So the answer is 10. Another one example. So character name of size. So size is 10. Then character asterisk I. So asterisk refers to the pointer. So character pointer. So enter your name. So getters of name. We are give the input. The input is stored into name variable. The address of name variable are stored into I variable. Now printing your name is so asterisk I not equal to null. So asterisk I is directly pointing to the data from the name. So each time the loop is executed with a single character. So asterisk I. So it is moving to another one character up to end of the character. So up to the I not equal to null. The /0 is meant by null character. The pointer is automatic to moving to another one characters. Explain how the variable can access by pointer. Here asterisk b is a pointer variable. First of all, enter the radius of the circle. We are getting the input for the input is stored into r variable. So a equal to 3.14 into r into r. So these answer, the answer is stored into a variable. The address is stored into b, that is pointer variable, so that a is directly printing the data. That is already we know the calculation, the 3.14 into r into r. In this data is directly printed in floating format. Then ampersand a is printing the address of a variable. So b is displayed the address from a variable. Then asterisk b is directly pointing to the data. So asterisk refers to directly pointing to the data. Ordinary b is refers to the address of the variable, that is a variable. So next one, pointer arithmetic. Addition and subtraction are the only operation that can be performed on pointers. Take a look at the following example. Here ampersand var variable, in this value is stored into ptr variable. If you are using var equal to 500, it is only for moving the address. If you are using asterisk ptr underscore var plus plus means the value is incremented, otherwise the address is incremented. In this example we are moving the next address. Take a look at the following, the next one. Let variable be an increment type variable having the value 500 and stored at the address. That is an example of thousands is address, example address. Then ptr underscore var pointer variable has the value 1000 stored in it. Since integer are 2 bytes long, after the expression pointer variable plus plus, that is already how I have to explain to you, the pointer variable will have the values as 1002 and not 1001 because of this integer variable. So integer, it have to occupy 2 bytes, so that the address is initial address is 1000 means the next address is 1002. Example of memory allocations. So pointer increment process example. First integer pointer variable and ptr equal to, it is a memory allocations. We are allocating the space. The space is stored into ptr variable. The space is only for we are give the input of the integer value. So ptr equal to 100. Asterisk ptr equal to 100 means in this data is directly stored into the pointer variable. Is a value. 100 is a value. So ptr it refers the address of pointer variable. %u is a format of address. Here, ptr, it is directly pointing to the data, that is the answer of 100. Then ptr plus plus, already before I have to explain to you. So ptr plus plus means just we are increment the address. Asterisk refers to pointer, that is the increment the value. In this example, ptr plus plus means increment with the 2 bytes. Already example, already you have to use the address, the starting address 1000 means the next address 1002. Print of asterisk ptr. The answer is 101. Then free of ptr, just we are remove the spaces, memory allocation spaces from the ptr pointer variable. And hence each time a pointer is incremented, it points to the memory locations of the next element of its base type. Each time it is decremented, it points to the locations of the previous element. All other pointers will increase or decrease depending on the length of the data type they are pointing to. Two pointers can be compared in a relational expression provided both the pointers are pointing to variables of the same type. This is another one example. Increment and decrement operator using pointers. This example continues. The pointer special operators. So ampersand is refers to returns the memory address of the operand. Asterisk, it is a complement of ampersand. It returns the value combined in the memory locations pointed to by the pointer variable's value. This is another example. Write a C program to find the length of the string using ptr. First of all, we are getting the input. In this input is directly to stored into pointer variable, that is asterisk text. Here put character is used for to display the character. Asterisk ptr not equal to null. The pointer always pointing to the first character. It is automatic to moving the next address, so that asterisk pt plus plus. So len equal to pt minus asterisk text. So we have to calculate the length of the string. After that we are display len is a total number of character. Another one example, add two numbers using pointers. Thank you.